Mind maps are a fantastic tool to structure your thinking and put it into a tangible form. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create beautiful professional mind maps in Miro very quickly by leveraging all of the cool features Miro has to offer. And we're going to start with the coolest one. So let's jump into the board and create a mind map. To create a mind map, we have to look on the left side here in the toolbar, and often the mind map is already in here. If not, you can search for mind map here when you click on more apps, and then you can pin it or unpin it into a toolbar, depending if you use it often or only occasionally. Then if you have it inside here, the preferred way that I create mind maps is not clicking on it and then selecting one of these templates, because I don't need them. I know how to create mind maps, and shortly you will also know it. So the way I prefer to do it is just simply clicking on that icon and simply dragging out a starting node. And I'm having that one in here right now. Basically, I can put in a topic or idea for the mind map, and I'm going to do that. So let's say planning a company retreat. Oh, we missed a letter there. Here we go. So this is the starting node. And from here, I want to show you the coolest stuff that Miro has to offer in terms of mind maps, in my opinion. And that is to basically expand and generate mind maps with AI. I think that's super helpful because then you can work with the AI as a companion to build out your mind map and gather ideas. How does it work? So I have the starting node here selected, and then you see this sparkling blue little icon here which says Miro Assist. Click on it, and then I can click on Generate Mind Map. It will take the topic now, it will put it into the AI and then spin up relevant child nodes for my mind map. So let's click Keep here and take a look what the AI generated. So as you can see, it generated basically topics for me to consider when planning a company retreat. And all of those are super relevant. The location, budget, agenda, meals are all things that I could think about, and it gives me a great starting point to work from. I can also now go further. Let's say, for example, here we have team building activities in the agenda. What I can do also now is I can click on this node here, click the button again, and then click on Expand with Ideas. Now again, it will think what team building activities it can generate. And as you can see, it generated a ton. So you see a lot of details in here, which I could work with, but because this is a fictional example, I'm going to click discard. But I think if you play around with this, you will find this to be super valuable. The next thing that we can take a look at is how you can style mind maps. I think that's really important because you want to, especially if you